Unfortunately, blenders are most commonly associated with smoothies. They are flexible and useful equipment in any chef's kitchen. The best full-size blenders may aid in the preparation of a wide range of meals, from silky pureed soups and smoothies to spreads like nut butter and frozen drinks like slushies. If you frequently prepare pureed soups and sauces, you'll want something that can handle hot components. A two-part lid, tamper, and a variety of speed settings all contribute to a blender that is adaptable enough for any recipe. Furthermore, perfect blenders are not overly noisy and are simple to clean after use. Some also have other attachments, such as a food processor, which lets you produce coarser chopped foods such as salsa or knead bread dough. We've listed the top 5 best blenders of 2023 and their key feature, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to our products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Number 5. KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. Quickly blend and take on notoriously tough ingredients like kale and almonds with ease, so you quickly turn whole foods into smoothies and enjoy. Blending is a breeze with the 3-part blending system made of the blender's vortex, creating ribbed jar design, unique asymmetric blade, and the smarts behind the IntelliSpeed motor control, which automatically senses contents and maintains the optimal speed for a better blend. Easily create a range of textures with the variable speed dial, from smooth to chunky, or select from 3 preset recipe programs: Ice Crush, Icy Drink, or Smoothie. Self-clean cycle for easy cleanup. Just add water and a drop of soap to the jar and run the self-clean cycle for quick, easy cleanup. Soft start feature starts at the right speed. The motor automatically starts at a slower speed to pull ingredients into the blade, then quickly increases to the selected speed to avoid splatter. Number 4. Ninja SS101 Foodi Smoothie Bowl Maker and Nutrient Extractor. Smooth nutrient extractions, 24 ounces. Nutrient extraction cup with better breakdown for smoother extractions, smoothies, and frozen drinks versus BL480. Extract a drink containing vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables. Thick smoothie bowls, 14 ounces. Smoothie bowl maker with built-in tamper blends and powers for frozen foods with less liquid for perfectly thick smoothie bowls, nut jars of butter, and blender ice cream. 6 versatile functions. 6 programs for one-touch blend, pulse, smoothies, extractions, bowls, and spreads. Smart torque technology. Powerful 1200 peak watt power-dense motor that powers through heavy loads without stalling or the need to stir or shake. Auto IQ technology. Take the guesswork out of drink making with intelligent programs that combine unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns that do the work for you. Easy storage and portability. 2 blender cups and 1 bowl are easy to take on the go or store. To-go cups with lids included. Number 3. Zwilling Enfinigy 64 ounces Countertop Power Blender. Introducing our revolutionary countertop blender designed specifically for shakes and smoothies. With its fresh and sleek design, this blender seamlessly combines modern aesthetics with high-performance features to elevate your blending experience. Whether you're looking to create creamy purees, chunky salsas, or healthy smoothies, this blender is up to the task. Equipped with a powerful 1400 watts motor, this blender offers 6 speed settings, allowing you to customize your blending experience based on your desired consistency. Whether you prefer a velvety smooth texture or a slightly chunky blend, this blender has you covered. One of the standout features of this blender is its sharp German-made winglet blade. This exceptional blade is designed to finely chop even the toughest foods, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. Say goodbye to lumpy shakes or unevenly blended ingredients. To enhance convenience and functionality, this blender includes a tamper holder, providing easy access to your tamper while blending. The removable lid allows for effortless cleaning, and the digital display ensures precise control over your blending process. With our blender for shakes and smoothies, you can create delicious and nutritious blends in no time. Experience the perfect blend of style, performance, and versatility with this exceptional kitchen appliance. Number 2. NutriBullet Blender Combo. The NutriBullet Blender Combo offers an enhanced nutrition extraction experience by combining the convenience of a multi-serving pitcher and a single-serve cup. With 3 precision speeds, a pulse function, and an extract program, You have full control over your blending process with just the press of a button. The blender boasts a powerful 1200-watt motor, allowing you to create a wide variety of smoothies, soups, sauces, nut jars of butter, and more. The package includes a 1200W motor base, a 64 ounces blender with a lid and vented lid cap, a tamper, a 32 ounces cup, a 24 ounces cup, 2 to-go lids, an easy twist extractor blade, and a recipe book. The Easy Twist extractor blade is constructed with stainless steel and designed with cyclonic action for optimal blending performance. The pitchers and cups are made of high-performance plastic that is BPA-free and highly durable. Cleaning the blender is hassle-free, as you can simply place the pitcher and cups in the dishwasher. For the Easy Twist extractor blades, rinsing them with soap and water is sufficient. The unit dimensions are approximately 8.07 inches in length, 7.75 inches in width, and 16.97 inches in height. The NutriBullet blender combo includes a 1-year limited warranty to provide peace of mind. It's important to consult the user manual before using the product. Additionally, the blender is designed to meet North American and Canadian electrical standards. Number 1. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. The variable speed control feature of this blender allows you to have precise control over your blending process. With 10 different speed options, you can easily achieve the perfect texture for any recipe, whether you want the smoothest purees or the heartiest soups. This level of control ensures culinary precision in your cooking. The pulse feature is another handy function that enables you to create more diverse recipes. By using short bursts of power, you can layer coarse chops over smooth purees, giving your dishes added texture and flavor. It's perfect for making chunky salsas or thick vegetable soups with varying consistencies. The 48-ounce container is designed for blending medium batches, making it ideal for small family meals. The cutting blades, measuring 3 inches in diameter, ensure a consistent blend every time you use the blender. The hardened stainless steel blades are built to handle even the toughest ingredients, guaranteeing quality results from the first blend to the last. The blender operates at an electrical rating of 120 V and comes with a 4.5 feet long cord for convenience. Cleaning the blender is a breeze thanks to its self-cleaning feature. By adding a drop of dish soap and warm water, you can activate the self-cleaning mode, which thoroughly cleans the blender in just 30 to 60 seconds. This saves you time and effort in maintaining the appliance. In the box, you'll find the motor base, the 48 ounces, container, a mini tamper for pushing ingredients down into the blades, and a cookbook to inspire your culinary creations. The blender's design includes a radial cooling fan and thermal protection system, ensuring optimal performance and preventing overheating. This thoughtful design feature enhances the longevity of the blender and promotes safety during operation. For more detail, follow the links given in the description box down below. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.